Meet our modular crushing station, a complete aggregate production line, pre-assembled in the factory and ready to run the moment it reaches your site. Raw material enters through the GZG9638 Vibrating Feeder, then undergoes primary crushing in the P750 by 1060 jaw crusher, engineered for high capacity and a uniform first stage product. An inclined feed conveyor carries the material to the HST250 cone crusher for secondary crushing, while the discharge conveyor moves product efficiently down the line. For superior particle shape, the 1145 Vertical-Shaft Impact Crusher delivers precise tertiary crushing and shaping, the key to high-value, cubical aggregate. Finally, the 3YK2160 Vibrating Screen classifies the material into multiple graded sizes, returning oversize to the circuit for a closed, continuous loop. Every module is pre-wired, pre-piped, and factory-tested. On arrival, it is a fast bolt-together deployment, minimizing civil works and commissioning time. Modular crushing station, factory-built, site-ready, production fast.